this house here, didn't they? They brought it for somewhere. Oh, they're moving it out.
I don't know if they're moving it in or out.
And today's a beautiful day to drive with the top off.
It's still pretty busy through here.
Wow, look how crowded this place. But today is Thursday. This is crowded, man. That's a neat bar in there. Did you eat there?
No, I haven't been there yet.
We ate in one of these, didn't we?
Well, we went to Captain Jules,
Yeah.
which is on the corner. Crab Catchers. That's a good one to go to. I don't think I've eaten there with you though.
No, I never. I don't think I ate there.
This is where you can purchase some fresh seafood. We're just going to park over here. Oh, nice.
Oh,
I just seen the bunch.
oh, that's pretty.
Oh, we never
Look,
mind.
these right here. These
Those
are
are dead.
Not good.
Not good. Yep.
Nice.
And then we
Nice.
have black bass.
Yep.
Black bass. Then our clams. There are our spots. Beautiful, beautiful.
Let me.
This is Corey's on charter right now.
Okay.
He does like 3 or 4 charters a day.
Okay.
Benefits that you sell. He said yes. No problem.
Vereen Gardens. Vereen's Memorial Garden. Nice. Look, a ram similar to mine. You ate here?
We didn't go to this one particular. The one around the corner.
Yeah, this one we did.
The Bennett Seafood, yeah.
We went together.
That place supposedly has good burgers. I've never been there.
Nick's Christmas shop. That's supposed to be pretty cool during Christmas.
I thought you'd been there.
No, you guys mentioned it. Boundary House. That's good. It's not bad at all. The Seafood Hut.
That's highly
Calabash.
rated. A lot of people say that's the best place to go.
It is.
Yeah. That place and down by the water.
So what do they have there? Mainly shrimp and crab, I guess.
Like everybody else, probably blue crab,
Yeah.
flounder, shrimp.
Angus Steakhouse, seafood. This big old place is not bad at all, by the way, and it gets very crowded. We came here once.
Yeah, we've eaten there.
You did?
Yeah.